In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the position of text within a cell in Excel. This is a simple formatting skill, but it can make a big difference in how clean, organized, and professional your spreadsheet looks. If your text appears too far to one side, sits awkwardly at the top or bottom of a cell, or just doesn't line up the way you want, Excel gives you quick alignment tools to fix that. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to adjust the text position inside a cell. Once your file is open, go to the worksheet that contains the data you want to format. This can be a single cell, a few selected cells, or even a larger range if you want multiple entries to match. Next, select the cell or range of cells you want to format. If you're only changing one item, just click that cell. If you want the same alignment across several cells, click and drag to highlight the full range. This is helpful when you want headings, labels, or values to look consistent throughout the sheet. After that, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. This is where you'll find most of the basic formatting tools, including the alignment options used to control where text appears inside a cell. In the alignment group, use the horizontal alignment buttons to move the text left, center, or right within the cell. Align left places the text against the left side of the cell. Center positions it in the middle, and align right moves it to the right side. These options are especially useful when you're working with titles, names, numbers, or labels, and want everything to line up in a cleaner way. You can also change the vertical position of the text using the vertical alignment buttons. Top align places the text near the top of the cell. Middle align centers it vertically, and bottom align places it at the bottom. This becomes more noticeable when rows are taller than usual, such as when you've adjusted row height or wrapped text across multiple lines. As you click each alignment option, Excel updates the cell immediately so you can quickly see what looks best. If you're not sure which setting to use, try a couple of options until the layout feels balanced and easy to read. And that's it. Once you choose the alignment you want, your text will appear in the new position within the cell. It's a quick change, but it can really improve the overall presentation of your spreadsheet.